In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to preview, save, and publish changes to your site. Now, if you want to see published changes, you can go to View Public Site. This is going to show you your live website as anyone would see it if they visited your domain. All the links will work. If you want to see saved changes that haven't yet been published, go to Preview Site Changes. This is going to show you all the changes that you've saved in the page builder that haven't yet been made live. Now if we go into Edit Site, go into the page builder, we'll see a few more options. So up here we have Preview Page, Preview Site, Save, and Publish. Preview Page is going to bring us a preview of the specific page that we're editing. You can see all the changes, but you'll notice none of the links will work. If we hit Preview Site, this is going to show us all of the changes that we've made and saved in the page builder. All the links will work to the different pages. But unless you hit Publish, none of these changes will have been made live. Now, anytime you make a change on your site, you're going to want to hit Save. And if you want to make those changes live, you're going to have to hit Publish. And that's all for this tutorial.